We are going to discuss about right triangles. Okay, right triangles. In right triangles, these are some possible orientations of right triangles. This is a way, this way, or this way. There are so many possible ways to indicate a right triangle. Okay, the major condition for a right triangle, one angle, okay, one interior angle of this triangle should be equals to 90 degrees. Okay, we can specifically indicate the 90 degrees by using a small box. Okay, small box kind of shape. Okay, to find the area of a right angle triangle, we have to use it as our base. Okay, one side as our base and the perpendicular height. In previous cases, in acute cases, we studied the perpendicular height should be located inside the triangle. Okay, located inside the triangle. But in this case, in right cases, the perpendicular height should be one side of a triangle. Okay, this is our perpendicular height in this case. We have to think about the shapes which is creating the right angle. Okay, which is creating the right triangles which are creating the right angle. Okay, one is considered as base. If one is considered as base, the remaining one should be our perpendicular height. Okay, so half into base into perpendicular height. Same formula to find the area of each triangles. Okay, let's use this triangle as an example. Okay, here I'll give you it as 18 millimeters and this as 9 millimeters. Okay, let's substitute. For that, we have to conclude which is our base and what is our perpendicular height. Okay, let's see. For that, mm, I'll take it as my perpendicular height. Okay, when I consider it as my perpendicular height, the other side which is included to create the right angle. Okay, there are two sides included to create this right angle. Okay, right angle. So these are the two sides we have to consider. So half into, I'll consider the base as 18 millimeters and the perpendicular height as 9 millimeters. When you consider in converse way, that one also possible. When you consider it as your base and this as your perpendicular height, that one also possible. Both will give you the same answer. Okay, then let's multiply 18 times 9. So that will be 162 square millimeters. This one should be divided by 2. Finally, area of this particular right triangle is equals to 81 square millimeters. That's all for this question. Okay, for the first instance, when we consider it as our base, this should be our perpendicular height. So half into 9 into 22. Okay, then 22 times 9. When you simplify this one, you will receive your answer for area as 99 square millimeters. Then for the second question, which is half into the base 16, you can use alternate one. Okay, if you consider it as your base, this should be your perpendicular height. In alternative way, if it is your base, this one should be your perpendicular height. Then multiplied by 11. So this will give you 88 square centimeters. Then final case, half into 27 into 14. Okay. Okay, let's see. 27 times 7. Okay, so that will give you 140, sorry, 189 square centimeters.